Review of easy battery reconditioning methods. Is it truly helpful to recondition your old batteries? In this complete, easy battery reconditioning review, we'll go over everything. Before you go, subscribe to Quillfind channel for more videos like this, and if you want to receive an easy battery reconditioning procedure at a limited time price, check out the link in the video's description below. If you are like most others, one of the most expensive aspects of owning a car is the dreaded battery. This costly item, many businesses believe that it should be changed every 5 years. The terrifying result of this is that you may break down and get stuck, something no one wants to risk. But what if there was a technique to extend the life of the battery? This may save hundreds of dollars for the ordinary household, with no chance of becoming stuck on the side of the road. This is where the Easy Battery Reconditioning program comes in. Using the methods indicated in this program, your device's battery longevity might easily be doubled, saving you money on many batteries. What exactly is an Easy Battery Reconditioning program? Easy Battery Reconditioning is a quick and easy way to breathe fresh life into old batteries. You can check your batteries with simple instruments like a multimeter to revive those that are underperforming and almost triple the longevity of the average vehicle, golf cart, or medical home battery. Tom Erickson has helped develop this program and help thousands of automobiles and other devices functioning and their battery pollution out of landfills. Many autos, golf carts, and other equipment use wet cell lead acid batteries. This implies that a lead plate is normally submerged in sulfuric acid, leading in a reaction that generates electricity. Natural corrosive processes in the battery can lead to reduced performance results and lower voltage. Because of the lower voltage, many people feel their battery is dead and must be replaced. The following journey for a new battery can be excruciating, since the expenses and labor for a replacement might be enormous. How does the Easy Battery Reconditioning method work? Outlines basic common sense ways to rejuvenate your battery. To begin, securely remove the battery from the device and turn off all power to the battery. Gloves and eye protection are required, as is ensuring that the atmosphere in which you operate is safe and dry. Cleaning the battery's contacts or terminals is the first step in reconditioning it. These are the positive and negative terminals. These positive and negative terminals will accumulate debris over time that must be cleaned with steel wool or other abrasive brushes in order to maintain a proper contact point. Without adequate contact, voltage might be insufficient or unpredictable, resulting in less power while starting or driving your automobile. So, I completed this task. What will be the next step? An inexpensive multimeter, often known as a voltmeter, and a hydrometer are required for the following stage. A hydrometer is a device that measures the density of liquids in order to remove acid batteries that include fluid. It is crucial to examine the fluid density of the cell to verify that it is functioning properly. A multimeter is a gadget used to examine battery voltage measurements. Following the instructions indicated in the ebook, you will check the voltage to verify if the battery is functioning properly. Both the multimeter and the hydrometer are inexpensive and may be purchased online or at home improvement stores. The first step is to inspect the terminals to ensure that the output matches what your battery should read. Using the Easy Battery Reconditioning method, check each cell's electrolyte level using a hydrometer to ensure each cell is working properly. It's crucial to notice any issues with each individual cell at this time, such as bulging and cracking, and the guide explains what to watch for. When measuring cells, safety is essential, thus always use the personal protection equipment listed above. To truly comprehend the Easy Battery Reconditioning program, you must understand why your car's alternator is unable to fully recharge a car battery owing to a lack of power to reverse sulfation on the battery's plates. What exactly is sulfation? Remember when we spoke about how a lead acid battery works? Sulfur accumulates on the lead plates inside the battery cells as a result of the interaction between lead and sulfuric acid over time. As a result, the battery's production of power is reduced. So, how do you get the sulfation out of the lead acid cells? Several ways have been described over the years. Equalization is a common option among owners of several batteries. This entails employing a high voltage with a low amplitude current to revitalize the battery over time while following necessary safety procedures. Tom Erickson discusses his approach for thoroughly reconditioning a battery in the ebook. As a chemical additive, another widely used technique for battery reconditioning is discussed in the program on Easy Battery Reconditioning. The sulfate in the battery chamber is extracted from the lead by these chemical additions, which bond to the substance. The ebook's last technique is one, which involves gradually removing the sulfate using a high-frequency gadget. The ebook covers the specifics of each technique as well as its benefits and drawbacks. Additionally, safety issues are brought up to reassure people who are hesitant to complete this work. For those who would want further information, the results are also thoroughly explored in terms of what is occurring inside the battery. Have limited electrical knowledge? Don't worry. The Reconditioning Handbook provides a straightforward, step-by-step procedure for carrying out all required examinations and procedures in order to completely revive your battery. The book effectively reduces the learning curve that is characteristic of any electrical application by using a quick start method in an easy-to-follow manner. Those techniques that were only available to electricians and informed insiders are now available to the general public. The digital product file format Quick Battery Reconditioning Program may be seen online or downloaded immediately after purchase in PDF ebook format. With almost any tablet, smartphone, or other device that can display PDF files, including desktop and laptop PC, iPhones, iPads, and practically all other tablets and smartphones, the Ez Battery Reconditioning application is compatible. The cost of the product $47, and it is a one-time payment. Everything is provided promptly online at no shipping expense. Is it available offline at conventional bookstores? No, it is not. Do you have a refund policy? Yes, there is a 60-day, 100% money-back guarantee with no questions asked. Is a safe online payment available through this program? Yes, ClickBank manages payments and refunds. It uses encryption technology like Secure Sockets Layer SSL from reputable companies like VeriSign, which is supposed to encrypt sensitive data like your bank information. Where can I buy Ez Battery Reconditioning? Ez Battery Reconditioning is only available on the official website. I have given the link to the official website in the video's description below. You finally reached the conclusion of my Ez Battery Reconditioning guide. I hope you found it helpful. So, do you believe this fantastic battery reconditioning book deserves to be on your shopping list? If I were you, the answer would undoubtedly be yes. Think about it. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for you to recondition your own batteries, which may save you thousands of dollars. You may save money on your power expenses and earn extra money by selling the reconditioned batteries. Are you now sure that Ez Battery Reconditioning will help you in reconditioning your old batteries? So, what are you waiting for? Its price will not stay cheap forever, so kindly click the link in the description or comment box. And with your money back, you can be certain that this gets easier for you. So, click the link in the description box below to receive access to the Ez Battery Reconditioning at a limited time discount price. Last but not least, thank you for going all the way to the finish of my Ez Battery Reconditioning review. Have a nice day.